Appen provides remote work opportunities focused on data collection, AI training, and language-related projects. But whether you can actually earn from it depends on project availability, your qualifications, and the demand in your location. By the end, you'll know how Appen works, what types of tasks are available, and what to check before deciding if it is worth your time in 2026. Appen works with companies that need human input to improve artificial intelligence systems. Workers on the platform may complete tasks such as reviewing search results, evaluating online content, collecting data, recording information, or helping improve language models. The main reason people look at Appen is the ability to work remotely. Many projects can be completed from home, which makes the platform appealing for people looking for flexible online work. The application process usually starts with creating an account and applying for available projects. Different projects can have different requirements. Some may require specific language skills, technical knowledge, location availability, or passing qualification tests before you can begin. Project availability is one of the biggest factors with Appen. Remote work platforms like Appen do not always operate like traditional jobs with guaranteed hours. The amount of work you receive can change depending on client needs and the projects available. This means you should check the platform regularly and apply for projects that match your skills. The type of task also affects your experience. Some projects involve repetitive tasks, while others require more detailed review and judgment. Following project instructions carefully is important, because quality requirements can determine whether you continue receiving work. Before spending a lot of time applying, review the available projects and requirements. Look at the type of tasks offered, the skills needed, and whether the work matches your schedule. Appen can be a legitimate option for people looking for flexible online projects, but it may not provide the consistency of a traditional job with fixed hours and guaranteed income. The best way to evaluate it is to treat it as a project-based platform. Create an account, review available opportunities, complete any required qualifications, and track how much time you spend compared with what you earn. The main points are simple. Appen offers remote AI-related tasks. Project availability changes over time, and your experience depends on the opportunities you qualify for. Your next step is to check current Appen projects and compare the requirements with your skills before investing time into the application process. If this helped you understand whether Appen is still hiring in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online work reviews.